Hello friends, this is Vijay Kumar. I welcome to you in my platform Take W3Web. Friends, today in this session we will describe about a biggest truth about the Salesforce developer. Today we will describe about why 80% of the developers stay in the same salary for the 5 years, more than 5 years as well. Mostly developer stuck in around 80 to 90% developer stay in the same salary for the 5 years, 5 to 6 years, same to same position. They not getting promotion, they not getting salary hike. Why? Today I will explain about this. Friends, do you know the biggest truth about this? Most of developers don't fail because they lack of talent. They fail because they stop learning after getting a job. Before getting job, they working hard, they learning so many things. Once they get job, they stop the learning. Friends, I have seen many Salesforce developer earning the same salary for 3 to 5 years. Not because the company is bad, but because they stopped upgrading their skills. Before searching job, they upgrading, they learning, but once they get the job, they stop the learning. They stop the Salesforce development learning. So that 80% of developer stay in the same salary, not getting promotion. Friends, now let me explore about more about this. Why they not got opportunity? Why they not hike salary? Why they not crack the interview? There are some reasons. First of all, let me describe about why salary gets stuck. Only doing support task. If you join the company, you not getting a difficult task if you doing only supporting tasks. So if you doing only supporting tasks, no real development exposure, so that fear of the writing complex logic, you only searching easy task, you not developing a hard and complex logic, you not writing a complex logic, so that you will not able to enhance your knowledge technically. So that if you not writing a complex logic, if you not upgrading your skills and expecting your salary will grow, it is a very difficult. Second is company actually pay problem solving skills. What company looking to the developer? What company actually pay for that? Company looking problem solving skills. If you able to write apex trigger, if you able to resolve the issue about the LWC real time scenarios, if you able to write an integration, you have good knowledge about the integration, how to get and post the data from Salesforce to external system. These kind of things you need to upgrade your skills. So company always looking not only supporting task, company always looking problem solving skills. We are able to apex trigger, you have to write LWC scenarios, you have to write integration parts as well. Now let me give you an example. Now let me give you a real story. There is a one project, client need automation using platform event and LWC communication. Now repeats once again. In the live project in the company, the requirement from the client is they needed automation using platform event and LWC communication. There are multiple team members working in that project, but only one developer know the real scenarios, and they deliver and they resolve the issue. After delivering the project, he got promotion. Rest of the developer working only the supporting. So this is a real scenario. There are multiple team members working in the same project, but if client needs automation using platform event and LWC communication, only one developer know and they are deliver. Rest of the developer only supporting him. So that they are not getting a opportunity, only one developer got promotion. So friends, from this story you can relate about you as well. How to break the patterns? The question is, Friends, if you doing same task again and again, if you only involve in the supporting task, so how you grow? How to break the pattern? Friends, break the pattern only one things. Learn real project scenarios. Practice debugging. Practice practice every day and debugging the code. If you learn real project scenario, practice every day debugging the code, they will build your confidence. If build your confidence, that confidence will get your success. So friends, always remember, if you keep practicing every day, the practice build your confidence and that confidence build your career success. So build confidence in interview as well. So friends, if you really want to learn step by step sales for development from beginning to advanced level, I have created a powerful course. So if you want to move from more than 4 LPA to 12 LPA, if you getting between the 4 LPA, 6 LPA, 10 LPA, so if you want to move from between 4 LPA to 12 LPA, you must upgrade your practical sales for development skills, friends. You must upgrade your practical sales for development skills. So inside my Tech W3 web course, I teach real office project scenario step by step. So if you really want to learn step by step that you working in office live project, click on get course access button and use coupon code to get discounts, because here I am giving huge of discount. So click the button link. Here you will get discount coupon code. Once you will get discount coupon code, you will get huge of discount. So your next salary will hike by your practicing. Focus on a hands-on practice scenario. Don't focus only support work. So friends, if you really want to learn, if you really want to upgrade your technical skills, inside my Tech W3 web course, I teach real office project scenario step by step. So click the get course access and use coupon code to get discounts. For next opportunity waiting for you. Friends, hopefully you enjoying the today's session. You learn a lot, and I would like to thank you once again for supporting me, for loving me, and if you really want to learn sales for development, lab demo project scenario, so inside my Tech W3 web course, I teach real office project scenario step by step. So friends, click on get course access button and use promo code to get discount code and start learning from today. Thank you so much.